Most people are using AI for fun, but the top 1% are using it to build automated systems that generate real wealth. In 2026, the gap between those who work hard and those who work smart has never been wider. Today, I am giving you the keys to the kingdom, the 10 most powerful AI tools from our 30-day challenge compiled into one masterclass. We are covering everything from high RPM real estate tech to automated SaaS workflows. If you've been looking for a sign to start your faceless business, this is it. Let's get to work. Before we reveal tool number 10, Ivy put together a complete 2026 AI resource vault with direct links to every tool in this video, plus some secret ones I can't mention here. You can grab that at the link in the description. Also, if you're serious about building a faceless empire this year, hit that subscribe button right now. We're uploading daily blueprints that you simply cannot afford to miss. Now, let's get into the first category, visual content creation. Number 10, Luma Dream Machine. This isn't just a video generator, it's a cinema-grade engine that turns simple images into high-quality B-roll. To use this, you just upload a high-resolution photo and prompt it with specific camera movements like dolly zoom or cinematic pan. In 2026, you can sell this footage as stock video on platforms like Adobe Stock or use it to create high-retention faceless YouTube channels without ever picking up a camera. Number 9, ElevenLabs. Their 2026 speech-to-speech engine is a game-changer for global reach. You can record a voiceover in your own voice, and the AI will translate it into 29 different languages while keeping your exact tone and emotion. This allows you to launch the same faceless channel in 5 different countries simultaneously, 5xing your ad revenue with a single click. It is the gold standard for AI audio. Number 8, Kling AI. While everyone is waiting for Sora, Kling is already here and optimized for mobile creators. It excels at complex human movement and physics, things other AIs fail at. Use this to create high-end animations for storytelling channels. The secret here is using their Extend feature to turn a 5-second clip into a full 30-second cinematic sequence, saving you hours in the editing room. That completes our look at the visual powerhouses for content creators, but now we're shifting gears into a much higher-paying sector. The next 3 tools are the heavy hitters for the real estate and architecture industries. This is where the big money moves in 2026, because advertisers in these niches pay 3 times more for your views than almost anywhere else. Let's look at how you can dominate the property market with 0 physical assets. Number 7 moves us into the high RPM real estate niche. Virtual Staging AI allows you to take a photo of a cold, empty room and instantly furnish it with luxury decor. For a mobile-only channel, this is a goldmine. You can start an agency where you charge real estate agents $50 per photo to digitally stage their listings. It takes 15 seconds of work for a high-ticket payout. Number 6, Rendair AI. This tool is specialized for renovations. It can take a photo of a fixer-upper house and show a photorealistic version of what it would look like with new floors, painted walls, and modern lighting. Investors use this to visualize the potential of a property before they buy it. Offering this as a service to property flippers is one of the most underrated side hustles of 2026. Coming in at number 5, Spacely AI. This is professional-grade architecture software simplified for your phone. You can take a 2D sketch or a basic floor plan and generate a full 3D interior render. This is perfect for the home decor and architecture niche on YouTube, which commands some of the highest advertiser rates in the industry. You aren't just making videos, you're providing architectural visualization. Now that you know how to create content and dominate the property niche, we need to talk about the engine that runs it all, workflow automation. The final 3 tools on our list are what I call the CEO stack. These are designed to take the manual labor out of your day so you can scale from 1 channel to 10 without working an extra minute. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your to-do list, pay very close attention to these next 3. If you've made it this far, you're not average, you're early, and early adopters dominate markets. Hit subscribe and join the 2026 AI movement. Top 3's A to Z drops profit-ready AI blueprints. The tools are here. The window is open. The question is, are you in? Number 4 kicks off our productivity stack, Taskade. Think of this as your digital headquarters. Taskade allows you to build custom AI agents that live inside your project folders. You can train an agent on your specific brand voice and have it write your scripts, organize your filming schedule, and even brainstorm your next 10 video ideas. It's like having a full-time staff for the price of a cup of coffee. Number 3, motion. In 2026, manual calendars are dead. Motion uses AI to build your schedule for you. When a new task comes in, the AI looks at your deadlines and meetings and automatically slots it into the most efficient gap. If you miss a task, it doesn't just sit there. The AI rebuilds your entire week to make sure you still hit your goals. It is the ultimate tool for avoiding burnout. Number 2, Lindy AI. This is a true autonomous employee. Unlike other tools that just sit there, Lindy can be connected to your email, your Slack, and your CRM. It can handle customer support, book your travel, and even negotiate with potential brand sponsors for your channel. It is the closest thing to a human assistant you can find in the AI world today. And finally, our number 1 bonus tool, Perplexity pages. Research is the hardest part of content creation, but Perplexity has solved it. You can give it a topic and it will scan the entire internet to create a beautifully formatted, cited, and illustrated report in seconds. I use this to research every single video on this channel. It ensures your content is factually accurate and deeply researched, which is the key to building authority in 2026. The tools are here, the blueprints are ready, and the only thing missing is your action. We've covered the tools, the strategy, and the high RPM niches, but none of it matters without the first step. The 2026 AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here, and those who act today are the ones who will own the market tomorrow. Subscribe to Top 3's A to Z to stay at the cutting edge. I'll see you in the next one.